What's up Bali, how you guys doing? Apa kabar? And selamat pagi. This video is about how you, as a foreigners, if you want to buy a scooter or you want to buy a motorcycle or even you want to buy a car. In this video, I'm going to tell you how. So watch the video until the end. My name is Sakti. I'm your host in Bali. Guys, welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to go to Bali, how to live in Bali, and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, are you planning to stay in Bali for long? Are you planning to live in Bali? Do you have a kitas? You know, the temporary staying permit for special purposes like digital nomad kitas, working kitas, retirement kitas, investor kitas, spouse kitas, family kitas. Do you have one of that? If you do, maybe some of you thinking that at the end renting a scooter, motorcycle or car is not a good idea because you only pay the rent, and then that's it. Or maybe some of you thinking that better if you just buy the scooter, buy the motorcycle, buy the car, and then later on at the end of your stay in Bali, you're gonna sell it. So maybe at the end, in the term of money, you pay less if you just buy it and then sell it again later on. But okay, how we do that? How we do that as a foreigners? Or we just use our kitas? Unfortunately, there's one more step that you have to do. One little step. You have to have a letter of SKTT, Surat Keterangan Tempat Tinggal. In English, Residency Certificate for Foreigners. Certification that's saying you are living in Bali. If you have this certificate, then you can buy scooter, motorcycle, even the car with your name on the paper, on the document. Vroom, 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 vroom. Now the question is, how you get these certificates? Well, this is how. First, you go to the head of village, the Klian we call it. It's in Banjar. Go there, bring a 2-piece of photo, and then ask for letter of domicile. Tell them that now you're staying in this villa or in this accommodation, and ask him to make the letter of domicile. Then, when you get your letter of domicile, go to the police station and ask for the STM, Surat Tanda Melapor. In English, report certificate. When you got a letter from the police, then you go to the Dukcapil office. It's a regional population and civil registration department office. Go there and tell them that you want to make the SKTT letter, the residency certificate. Normally it takes a week or something. And also when you go there to the Dukcapil office, to the civil administration registration office, don't forget to bring your passport, your kitas or kitab, letter of domicile from the head of village in Banjar, and the report certificate that you get from the police station. Oh yeah, and also the photos. 2 pieces of photos, you know, like this, with the red background. You just go to the photo studio like this, and tell them that you want to make a pass photo 4x6 centimeters. Normally it only takes an hour. Bring that photo too. And that's it. That's it. It's easy. Normally it's about weeks, 10 days, it's done. Then you can buy the motorcycle, the scooter, or even the car that you want with your name in the document. So later on, you can sell it again. If you're good in bargaining, maybe you even only lost a little bit. But however, I have to tell you this. Actually, according to the law, this law, actually, kitab or kitas holder must report to the civil administration, the Dukcapil, 14 days after they arrive. Actually, but no one do that. But unfortunately, if you want to buy a scooter, if you want to buy a motorcycle, car, you have to have this SKTT, the residency certificate. Okay, it seems it's too much work. I bet in all those offices in Banjar, police station, also in Dukcapil office, it's all long line. At the Banjar, long line. Police station, long line. In Dukcapil, long line. Can you help me? Well, no worries. No worries. Of course, I always have a solution. Just send me email. I also mentioned down in the description. Send me email. And who knows, I can help you to get the SKTT. Based on my experience, I can only do in Uluwatu, Jimbaran area, Denpasar, Canggu, and Ubud. I haven't done beside that. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Oh, I think I'm gonna make it in the next video though. If you have a kitas, if you have a kitab, if you plan to live long, to stay long in Indonesia, in Bali, and you want to use local number in your phone that you bought in your country, you have to register the imei at the airport. So you do it when you just arrive. Go to the custom, tell them that you want to register your imei. Then you can use local number in your phone that you bought in your country. Otherwise, after 90 days, if I'm not mistaken, your local card cannot be read. Got blocked. Alright, that's all from now. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button for those who haven't. Smash notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to go to Bali, how to live in Bali, and condition in Bali now. My name is Misa. I'm your host in Bali. I see you in the What's Up Bali coffee shop.